Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO Ideapad C340 and today I will show you what to do when your device freezes. So let's pretend this application, the Edge browser, is frozen and I can't access anything else on my PC. In this case, the first thing you'll have to do is open the task manager. To do it, in this case, you'll have to simultaneously press the Ctrl, Alt and Delete buttons at the same time. And once you see a menu like this, you'll have to select Task Manager. And if you have access to it, if you can control it, you'll have to select an app that potentially freezes your PC and right-click it and select End Task, and this will turn off the application that freezes your PC. But if it didn't help, you can as well scroll all the way down until you see the Windows Explorer file and right-click on it and then press Restart. And once it restarts, your computer should start working normally. But if it didn't happen yet, then you can simply switch your PC off by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your computer, right here. So you'll simply have to press and hold it for a little while until your device shuts down, like this. But if it still didn't shut down, which happens in rare scenarios, the only option that is left for you is to just let it to unplug it from a charging cable and just wait for it to discharge fully. And once it's discharged, you will be able to just press the power button again and turn it on. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.